Breastfeeding is a journey of love, nourishment, and bonding. As a new mom, it's a natural process, but it comes with its own set of challenges and learning curves. Finding a comfortable position is key to successful breastfeeding. Whether it's the cradle, cross-cradle, football, or side-lying position, comfort for both mom and baby is crucial. Experiment to discover what works best. Consistency helps both mother and baby. Try to feed on demand, recognizing your baby's hunger cues. Early signs include stirring, mouth opening, and turning their head seeking the breast. Each baby is unique. Pay attention to their needs. Some feed frequently and briefly, others less often but for longer durations. Trust your baby to know how much they need. Common challenges include sore nipples, low milk supply, and latching difficulties. Seek support from lactation consultants, and remember, persistence is key. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Breastfeeding is a profound experience that strengthens the bond between mother and child. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself and your baby, and cherish these intimate moments.